We want people to be the best they can be, more productive, happier, healthier. That's why we created Lovato, the most versatile height-adjustable desk, making it the best investment for the workplace. Lovato's SwiftLock tool-free assembly gets people standing faster, which not only makes for happier employees, it also saves money by reducing installation costs. Lovato's Versatop clamps make setup tool-free and simple, with freedom to customize desktop size and color to enhance any work style and office aesthetic. Smarter by design, the premium Featherlift control panel allows for effortless adjustment to the ideal height. 4 programmable memory settings simplify the experience, offering fully adjustable well-being that fits you. Our 100-year-old family standard of care means Lovato has been thoughtfully designed. It's crafted for simple and efficient installation and intuitive use, so your workplace can get a move on well-being.